You are watching 2+U Nevada. Joining us again this afternoon, I am so excited to have Chris Ewing with Keep Truckee Meadows Beautiful joining us this afternoon to talk about an upcoming fundraiser, Raise the River. This is going to be such an awesome event, Chris. So tell us about it.
Yeah, it's a huge party. It's our 11th annual Raise the River, and this is the fundraiser that we do once a year that helps us get all the funds we need to help all these cleanups and beautification projects and everything else we do throughout the entire year. So this is a big one. That's why we make it a huge party, so people can come, have a good time, help us raise some funds, and then we get to keep doing what we do.
And it is just around the corner. It is on August 20th, and tickets are going to stop being sold, just so you know. So we're putting up the QR code right now. Tickets are going to stop being sold on Friday, August 14th. So really and truly, people, if you want to have fun, if you want to go and party, now is the time. Use that QR code. So, Chris, tell us, I mean, there's a lot of alcohol at this event. There's a lot of good food.
Yeah.
You know, explain what this event is.
Sure. It's a huge party on the patio of the National Automobile Museum right along the river. So we have a cocktail reception, couple of hours from 4:30 when the doors open till about 6:30 when we start seating. And in that cocktail reception, people can run around and meet some of our sponsors and supporters who help us out, like Jensen Infrastructure, and then they can get a drink from Underworld Distillery. They can go over and meet Simple Power Solar, who's going to be powering our photo booth this year, and get a drink from Brewer's Cabinet. And they can swing over and get something that's non-alcoholic from Centro and Coffee Bar, and talk to the people at Now Foods and NV Energy, who's the title sponsor of this whole event. And then we've got all kinds of great prizes and raffle things to give away as well.
Do you have a dollar amount goal for this fundraiser?
We always hope to, I mean, it varies so much as to what we need throughout the year, but we always hope to make as much as we possibly can. The goal is usually somewhere around $50,000 to net in this.
And then you say that helps with the programs and the cleanups, and go into those cleanups that you hold all throughout the year.
Yeah, we have thousands of volunteers that show up to our great community cleanup, our Truckee River cleanup, and all those volunteers need gloves and safety vests and equipment like shovels and rakes and wheelbarrows and all that stuff to get the things done that they need to get done all throughout the multiple sites that we have on those projects. So without the funding, we can't provide our volunteers that, and then we can't do as much work as we do in the community.
Well, and I remember seeing your volunteers, we're going to get back to the party. We're going to get back to the party and talk about the party. But I remember seeing your volunteers. I was taking my kids to the Oxbow, and you had just finished up the big Truckee River cleanup. But I want to say, I think it was in September of last year. So is that also the same time frame this year?
Yep, September 26th will be.
Okay, so we'll have you back and we'll talk about that.
Perfect.
Okay, does that sound good?
I'm down.
But back to the party.
Yes.
How much are tickets? And again, go through, we just talked about your sponsors and the beverages that people can have, but you also have a really good menu.
Yeah, we have a fantastic menu. The tickets, the Raise Experience tickets are already sold out, and that's Panasonic Energy and Tahoe Blue Vodka. They're their little lounge area over in the cocktail reception. And then the tables that we have available are tables for 8 for $1,500, and that comes with food, wine on your table, and access to all the cocktail party favors that you can go and enjoy. But and then all that goes for a great cause, so it's great for a business to come and maybe do something nice for their team to come out and have a good time, or people who just want to help the community with friends and neighbors throughout. We can each pitch in for a table and have a good time.
And then the food.
And the food. We've got great food from Savory Catering. Butcher Boy is going to be supplying some sausages for us, and the GSR will be doing dessert.
Awesome. Okay, so we've talked about how much money you hope to raise. You're going to be using it for the annual cleanup. We've talked about the alcohol. We've talked about the food. We've talked about upcoming cleanups. Is there anything that we didn't talk about? The venue. This is a beautiful venue. You're going to be seated right outside. It is an outside event along the river. I absolutely love this venue, that patio at the Automobile Museum.
Yeah, and we planned it perfectly so that the sun is down right around 6:30. So when you're going out to sit for dinner, it's shaded in the patio, so it's running right along the river. It's nice and cool, and that's where everything is. So we backdrop the Truckee River with our event.
So again, it's August 20th, start time, end time.
August 20th, start time is at 4:30. Cocktail reception runs till 6:30. Dinner starts at 6:30. And then we wrap it up about 9:30. Go to ktmb.org and get your tickets now.
Chris, thank you so much for joining us this afternoon.
Thank you.
You are watching 2 Plus U Nevada.